Hello, my people, and welcome back to Iconos Technology. Join us as we learn more about this frameless glass door lock.
Okay, all right. You can see frameless and a glass. If you have a glass door, you see it like this. Very simple. You mount this one at one end, and you mount this one at one end. So this goes like this. You see, it works together, but just that when this one is on one glass and this one different one glass, now the two take the lock. But the difference between this one now, be say now it enable automation. And if I dey say automation, that means say automatic. With this smart glass door lock, you fit use fingerprint take open the door. Only say make I bring am close well to the camera. E still get where you fit press number. You fit send somebody code wey go take gain access to this door. Then e dey use RF card. Where the card? E dey use card. So you fit
See Mastercard.
okay. It has a Mastercard already. But you fit buy more card though. This one are the one wey just follow and come.
Yeah.
So with this card now, if anybody will get this card now, fit gain access. And this door lock also get a manual key. Then it gets remote. If you use remote take off am, open am, or use remote take lock up. Now very good device if you want to automate your door. So if you want get this device, may you contact us at iconos.ng